I think my coffee's ready. Hello, beautiful. So to start this video off, I'm going to spray some of my fake tobacco and vanilla by Tom Ford. Oh god, oh my god, this reminds me of 2020. I used to wear this all the time. Because this is also the Essence Vault. It's called TV 290. Lovely and beautiful. So I'm wearing the tobacco and vanilla knockoff because it's a Harry based feature. So I bought Harry Styles' handbag. And I'm going to show you. I've literally had this for months and I've been using it. Like, it's like literally one of my favourite bags ever. And I bought it like to show you, like as of like, was going to show you. I don't know if I bought it to show you or if I bought it because I liked it. And then, I don't know. But I bought it, I'm using it, and I'm going to show you. This is her. So this is the Gucci Jackie bag, which actually I found, not that anyone probably really cares, because I really liked the Prada Clio. And this is kind of like the Prada Clio, but with a little clasp on it. And obviously Harry Styles has this. So this, I think, is the medium version. This isn't actually Harry Styles' one. I'm sorry if that's what you thought. This isn't actually even real Gucci. This is a knockoff, duplicate, replica Gucci Jackie bag is what I like to call it. I paid £350 for it. I think it's only like 2 or 3 grand, to be fair. I'm not sure. I think it's not as expensive as a Chanel, which normally go for like, I don't even remember anymore. 8 grand, 4, I don't remember. This reel is not in my tax bracket. The £350 duplicate version probably isn't either, but it was. So it's made of real leather. Oh, she's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. It has like, can you see that? It does say Gucci on it, so it is sort of pretending. But yeah, I knew it was complete fake when I got it, and like the person I got it from legally sells duplicates, and they are very clear about it being a duplicate. So it's got this beautiful little clasp. This is just so classy. The only annoying thing is it doesn't have a zip or anything, but whatever. Like I literally love this. Any single outfit ever. It's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love it. I really like the leather of it. I don't think I have a bag that has this kind of leather. I don't know what it is. It's like shiny, but not shiny. And the handle's really cute. It's got like this little clasp, so you can make it longer or shorter. But then it also came with a longer strap as well, which again is real leather. Basically just like a belt. I haven't used that, but I'm keeping it in case I want to. So yeah, the base is just, to be fair, for a bag over a year old that I absolutely love and adore and use all the time, that being the base of it, crazy. Like, this sits on like restaurant tables and stuff with me. Like, trust me, I use this bag so much, and it looks pretty good. So the only thing I'd say, because it is fake, the clasp sometimes doesn't come out perfectly. You have to give it a little 2-hand wiggle, but then it comes out. And it's just, I've never seen one like this before. It's literally just, and then you press it, give it a wiggle, opens. Super cute. And then that's the inside. It's almost like a bit suede-y. We've got like a big like phone pocket here, the big general space, and then we've also got a zip pocket here, which does say Gucci on it. I don't know if you can see that. And yeah, it's got gold hardware, same as the actual Gucci Jackie does. I've never actually opened this zip before, I don't think. Ta-da! But she's absolutely beautiful. I don't really know what more to show you about it. That is her in her absolute glory. And I think she literally goes with everything. Oh my God, this feels so Christmassy now because like, I don't know, all the warm lights, no decorations behind me yet. I've got my Christmas mug. I just feel lovely right now. I feel really, really good. Don't know why. But yeah, so I normally go for my Coach. I have a real Coach bag. And normally, if I don't fancy that one, I go for this one. So it's literally like one of my high rotation bags. And then if I don't use this, I want to be a bit more fancy. I've got my fake Chanel. But I adore this. I think it's so chic, so classic. I really do still want the Prada Clio. I have like another fake version of the Prada Clio from ASOS, like the small version. And I have that in brown, which I hardly ever use. But this is so beautiful, so beautiful. Like that in the light, it's so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. And yeah, obviously this is like plastic, but for like a year's, like now I'm actually just deeping it and how often I use this bag and how old it is now. And if someone gave this to me and said it was brand new, I'd probably believe them. I mean, there's a little bit of like leather denting here, but oh my god, it's so beautiful. The only thing is like the shape of the strap, but then it's just, I don't know. Don't even know. I wish you could smell it as well right now. It smells so like tobacco and vanilla-y, and so maybe I should spray the bag. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. If you are a big Harry fan, then I've tried out Harry Styles' COVID morning routine on my other channel, which is all like sort of health-based and trying to see what the man gets up to. I have got a video where I show you all around my Chanel bag. It has a lot more layers to it than this one does, so it's a bit of a longer video. But it's the same guy I got my Gucci bag from, and he is amazing. He didn't actually have this in his store, and I said to him, I was like, I really want the black Gucci Jackie. He has like the ones with G's all over it, and I was like, I need just the black leather one, and he like got it in especially for me. So honestly, like 10 out of 10. Could not recommend enough. And then I've got a whole like designer bag collection, and then the couple duplicates I've got. So I've got the ASOS duplicate of the Prada Clio, and I've got the ASOS duplicate of the Prada, what is it? I don't know, the one that's like, you know, the shoulder bag that's made out of like the raincoat material, that. And yeah, so that's the other videos I have available that's related to Harry or related to designer bags, but I just couldn't not give her all, like I could do a whole like video of just like ASMR watching this bounce in the light and make noises. Should I do that? Should I do a little ASMR outro for it? So this is my Harry Styles Gucci Jackie bag in a medium, in the black leather. I'll start off. Also got an ASMR bag collection on my other channel too, which I'll link below and in the eye. so that commences the ASMR section. That was so random. I honestly didn't plan that at all. I find watching hauls and unboxings and just sort of like manifesting the things I want by watching other people have it, I find that so relaxing. Like I literally do that as like a form of ASMR. Not a form of ASMR, a way to relax me. And I guess it just like it flowed. It worked hand in hand. But that is the Gucci Jackie, again for the final time, in a medium, in black leather, showing you. But if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. If no one's told you lately, I'm super duper proud of you. You overcome everything in your life completely by yourself. You're the only one who's got up every day and done that for you, so you should be super duper proud of yourself. And looking back on your journey and everything and where you've got to today, just be proud of yourself, give love to yourself, give yourself rest. And I hope you enjoyed this little dull bit of entertainment. But I will see you in the next video. Bye.